Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can disable audio download feature on Telegram desktop. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to launch my Telegram application on my computer. That's one. And then I'm going to go to the Telegram setting. We can click on this three lines before we open up the setting. Tap on that and then select the settings, and in the settings you have to choose the advanced setting. Alright, and if you want to disable the automatic media download feature, you can go to this menu, and here you will be able to choose the type of the chat you want to disable that feature on. You can choose the private chat, group chat, or channels. And for example, I'm going to disable the automatic media download feature in the channel. So I'm going to select channel, and I'm going to disable the photos. So the photos from the Telegram channel won't be downloaded automatically. And then once you're done, you can click on save right here. If you want to disable the automatic media download on the chat or group, you just need to select it and then you can disable it like this. And don't forget to click on save to save the changes. Okay guys, and that's all the way to disable audio download on Telegram desktop. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!